Hello friends, welcome back to nodejs tutorial. So we are discussing about how we can connect a MySQL database with nodejs, right? So we already discussed about how to connect with MySQL, how to create database, how to create table, and how to use the insert query and then select query. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to update some data from the database. So this is my database node project and this is my table name. So basically the connection part is common, so I just copy all things and create a new file that is update.js, and here just paste this and remove all the unnecessary things which I don't need actually. So select means this is the query, I don't need this type of query, and here we are using the MySQL library. Now if you check in the package.json, you will get I already installed a MySQL library, and I will recommend please see this series from the beginning, and the full playlist link are provided in the description section. So in this video we are going to discuss about update, and this is my database name. So here we just connecting, and if there is any error it will just throw the error, otherwise it will run. Right now the thing is how we can update. So to update we need some data, and we need to update with some data, right? So here I just want to update some data. So here we can see the David name is 2 times, so I want to change the name from the ID 7, so I want to change David to David backup, right, or David new, right? So how can I write this? This is the simple MySQL concept, and simply run here update, and my table name is students. So just use this update students and set. So set I want to set into the name, so simply write name equal to David new, right? So here we just here I just need to use this single command, and I just want to update on which. So I want to update on the ID 7, so simply write where ID equal to 7, right? And now if I just use it, so simply write res dot affected rows, so just write affected rows, right? And let's run this. So just write node update update.js. So affected row is 1, so you can write in this way and just add one record updated, right? So affected rows record updated. So simply just write 8, and I have to change the name of Mike to Mike new, so write Mike new, and let's run this again. So here we can see one record updated, though the spelling is wrong, but still if I just check we can see the record are updated. Right now how we gonna delete some record from the database? So if I just change the query, simple, very easy. If I want to delete the record, that is the Amol, I want to delete the record from ID 6, so simply just go here again and change the query, it will work, right? So just write delete delete from, and you can write in caps or small, it's case insensitive, and this is my students table name students. Delete from students where ID equal to ID equal to 5, right? So simply write ID 5, and let's see what is happening. So simply just stop and run this. We are getting table node project students does not exist. That means we written the wrong spelling, so simply just copy this, and actually I mistaken the U here, so simply paste this here and rerun this. So let's clear first and rerun. One record updated, sorry, it should not update actually, and just change here one record deleted, right? So record spelling, and run the update.js. So we are doing all the things in the update. So just 0 record deleted. Why 0? So let's see what happened. Actually it's deleted but have not affected. 0 records deleted. So actually it's deleted but something problem here. So simply I just going to print all the response, all the result, so we can get all the things from here. And simply I just want to delete from id 3, and let's see what is actually getting on affected rows. So affected rows is 1, right? So just copy this and write records or record deleted, right? And if I just change 3 to 2, and let's see what is actually happening. So simply write 1 record deleted. That means if I just check, there will have only 5 records because we deleted 2 times, right? So only 5 records are there. So this is very simple, and basically this is on MySQL concept. And for node this is also simple. So this is basically structure, and you have to write the query properly and it will execute. Like, so I think you will love this video, and still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. And next we are going to discuss about the last topic of MySQL connection. We will discuss about joining, right? And after that we will connect with the MongoDB, and then we'll do some basic operation. And after finishing all the things of basic topics, we will start the Express.js, and we'll start each and every topic with Express.js, right? So we'll complete the nodejs series, and after that we will move on the next topics. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.